We are so good at this.
Yeah, and there's some ammo here. No point in using the weapon.
Oh.
Well, there's no point until you got 1,000,000 bolts. Then you can just buy everything.
It's red under my feet.
Yeah, it's your boots.
I'm lucky that bridge didn't come down any.
I was gonna say that.
Oh, James, you actually gone? I'm just gonna sit here.
Da 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 da.
You wanna stay in here?
Oh.
Chris, you might want to shoot them with an actual gun.
I thought we were letting James do all the work.
No, not now.
No.
Yeah, come on, I got my big robot out now. What you gonna do? Oh, I'm not fine now.
Bastard.
Got you.
He got home.
Yeah.
Hey.
How many are there?
Not that many.
I beg to differ. Did we kill them or did they hide?
We killed them. They fell off, so.
Noobs.
These guys can't fly once they transform.
Good to know.
Getting these team bonuses like bosses.
Yeah. And you have to get 100 on for a trophy, so it's helping out.
Oh god. Oh no, I'm out of ammo.
Lols. Switch to your blaster. I'll use it with you.
Oh, wrong thing.
I'll help out. Oh shit, that was a
that'll do.
rocket.
That's your rocket launcher.
It works.
I thought you wanted your thingies. Oh, fuck.
Okay, that hurt.
Oh. He's our guy. I'm gonna shoot him anyway. I want to kick his ass.
But we're gonna get ammo soon, so.
Yeah.
Come blaster.
He almost
you, dude.
fucking crushed me.
Yeah.
He's just trying to help. I have a feeling that door is gonna come down.
Get owned.
He almost crushed us.
I don't think we're supposed to be standing. Oh god.
Oh.
What are you doing?
I like how you almost went flying.
He's calling his
I'm
mom.
pretty sure we're not supposed to be there. Broke the game. Don't look at my password.
We're right below him.
Oh, yeah.
I love Ratchet Clank games.
Giant robot.
It's a shame the last one wasn't all that.
That's one me and Chris have ever played.
So I take it he's never actually tried Q-Force. I thought it came out for free for PS Plus. In fact, it might still be if you have a look.
This is the one that was free on PS Plus.
No, there's another one.
Because I'm sure as hell didn't pay for this.
No, I think there's another one. Right,
Hey. Oh. Guys.
oh, screw you. I don't want to wait for you.
I need out. Oh shit.
You don't have any more electric gun, remember?
What am I...
Just hold circle to get the boxes. The cardboard ones. Not the big metal ones.
Can't, because you're getting them all.
I'm not even shooting. Look at my
I
bolts.
saw yellow ones.
Hey, look at my bolts. Chris stole them all.
I thought he was racist then. I'm guessing he said Nebo.
Negro.
Chris, you can't say that.
No. Chris,
What?
this is going on
no,
YouTube.
the color. Color. It's Spanish.
Confront Dr. It's broke again.
Doesn't. It's a cutscene.
It's a broken cutscene. Oh yeah.
According to the archives, this is a prototype ornithopter designed for orbital travel.
We're gonna fly through space.
We are?
Maybe.
Where did he come from?
Oh, James, you're gonna die.
Derp. Oh man, why did you save him?
Oh, Nefarious, why did you fail? We could have finally been rid
And
of
how
James.
is he so heavy?
He's a robot made of metal.
I don't know. You would have done the same for me, right?
Yeah.
I don't think he would, bro.
No, he would.
I have a feeling he wouldn't.
I'm just gonna say one thing. I hope we're all not controlling the same fucking shuttle here.
I'm gonna kill you.
We are, as no, we're not, are we?
Space cadet.
We best not be controlling the same pod each.
Yeah.
If we are, don't
Where we
expect to
going?
live.
It broke up.
Oh!
Lol. So can I control it?
How do we control it?
Ah.
Oh.
Okay, down. Don't crash in the mountains! We have very
Oh, that
little
doesn't
health
actually
and fuel.
crush us.
Well, we have very little health and fuel. Everyone hold X.
Got very little
X.
fuel. Everyone hold X.
Yeah, we have to
Why
put the
We could do
fuel
our
up.
1-2.
Way to waste it.
Are we going
Let's fuel.
on?
Everyone hold X, hold X! We have to go up. No, you have to hold X. And yeah, we just have to keep going up. Yeah, whichever way you point your analog stick is where your thruster is.
No shit. You're a genius, Sam.
I know, aren't I?
Yeah.
How did you ever figure that out?
Yeah, you
Should
know.
be working at NASA.
Well, you know, if they take me.
Uh-oh. So what happens if we run out of fuel?
Crash.
Well, what
guess it's
generally
green fuels.
happens? No.
It must do.
Green
Otherwise just
thing.
float forever.
No. Well, okay, everyone stop pressing X. See, we're going down.
Yeah. So we'll land on a rock. Then
No,
what?
we'll blow up on a rock.
We've hit a few rocks. We haven't blown up.
Yeah, so if we keep crashing on one.
Alright.
Yeah, it's
And who leaves
compensatory.
fuel in space?
This is like a junkyard.
Looking good out there.
Why can't they just pick us up?
Oh dear.
That did hurt us a bit.
Yeah.
There's no sound effects when we hit shit though.
There it is.
Yes?
Us?
Yeah.
Guys, we're kind of smoking.
Smoking hot.
Don't go down. Just let it fall down. Otherwise you're wasting fuel. Uh-oh. Oh, I saved us there.
No, so me.
What? You was facing the wrong direction. You tried to kill us.
Nah.
Uh-oh.
This is so annoying.
Right, you steer. I'll just make sure we don't hit any rocks.
Okay.
Okay, you've gone the wrong way.
Yep.
Idiot. Ooh.
This is so not easy with 3 people all on the same one.
Don't worry, you got me, man. You ain't gonna hit no rocks.
I don't trust you.
Easy.
Yeah.
Carried.
So easy. And that planet was kind of close.
Yeah. Notice how we just went up, moved left a bit, and then came back down. Why can't we just go straight left?
Why didn't we walk it?
There's asteroids.
Pretty sure it's the same place.
Yeah, it's quite a far walk, though, isn't it? Oh, you got a double bolt, James.
Ooh, critters.
You
These
should
are even
actually
cuter
go.
than
Oh,
other
yeah,
ones.
right, have you? Come on, quickly,
There's
so
my box.
James can get them all. Left, James, left. There's something. God damn.
I'm on a roll.
Come on, more bolts. Too late.
Oh shit, they were here. Dirt. And I got my ammo back.
Yeah. So now you can use your electric gun on it.
Okay. A weird creep.
Watch out for the crater peas.
Crater peas.
Yeah, shoot your electric gun. You'll plow them.
That was easy.
Yeah.